Hey everybody, I've got an awesome side hustle to share with you today. It's something not many people talk about, but it's easy to do and pays really well. We're talking about newspaper delivery. You can typically complete a newspaper route in just 2 to 3 hours a day. The work is usually done early in the morning, leaving the rest of your day free for other activities or jobs. This makes it an excellent side hustle for early risers, or those looking to maximize their earning potential without sacrificing their primary job. Depending on your route and the number of newspapers you deliver, you could be making between $700 to $1,800 a month. For such a minimal time commitment, this is some serious extra cash that can help pay off debts, save for a big purchase, or just pad your savings account. Finding opportunities. Check your local newspaper for job listings as well as job sites like Indeed.com to find out if there are newspaper delivery opportunities available in your area. Many newspapers are always on the lookout for reliable delivery drivers. You'll need a reliable vehicle, a valid driver's license, and insurance. Some newspaper companies may also require a background check. Maximizing your earnings with tax deductions. Every mile you drive for your paper route can be claimed as a business expense. For 2024, the standard mileage deduction is 67 cents per mile. Keeping track of your mileage can significantly reduce your taxable income. Here's a tip. Use a mileage tracking app to automatically log your business miles, ensuring you get the maximum deduction possible. Supplies and equipment. Any supplies you need for your route are also deductible. This includes a sturdy bag for carrying papers, GPS or map services to plan your route, weather-related gear like raincoats or gloves, vehicle expenses such as maintenance and repairs specifically for your route. Make sure to verify which supplies are covered as it may vary. Tips for success. Be reliable. Consistency and reliability are key. Make sure to deliver on time every day. This builds trust and could lead to more lucrative routes or bonuses. Plan your route to minimize driving time and mileage. The more efficient your route, the less you spend on gas and the more time you save. Document everything. Keep all receipts and maintain a detailed log of your expenses and mileage. Good record keeping will simplify your tax filings and ensure you don't miss any deductions. Newspaper delivery might seem old school, but it's a hidden gem for those looking to make some extra money without a huge time commitment. It's a straightforward gig that can yield significant profits, especially when you take advantage of tax deductions. So, get that reliable ride ready, make sure you have your driver's license and insurance, and prepare to start a lucrative journey. Join the savvy earners who have already tapped into this hidden gem of a side hustle. Don't miss out. Start delivering newspapers today and watch your wallet grow. Make sure to like and subscribe for more money-making tips and videos. Thanks for watching.